come here in front of you like this and make it tight. Now concentrate here. Just concentrate. Concentrate, concentrate, make it tight, 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 very tight. That will glue tightly together. When I say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you'll not be able to separate it. The harder you try to separate, the more tight it is. 1, 2, 3, you cannot separate. The harder you try to separate, you can't. Try hard, you can't. Now sleep. Relax. And you can separate your hand now. And now your hand will remain here like this. You can open your eyes and still be in deep trance. You can't bend your arm. The harder you try to bend, the more difficult it becomes. Try, you can't bend it. You can't bend it. The harder you try to bend, the more difficult it becomes. Now put your hand here. Now you can bend this arm, but your hand will stuck to your head. Relax. Try, you can't remove your hand. The harder you try to remove, the more tight it will stuck. Give me your hand, put here. Now this hand is stuck, this is released. Try, you can't separate. The harder you try to separate, the more difficult it becomes. Try hard. Now when I snap my finger, you will be able to remove your hand, but your leg will stick to the floor. Tuck. See? You can remove your hand. See, try to move. Try hard. 1, 2, 3, now you can